Welcome to the Fresno County Helping Underserved Business Hub Grant application tutorial. This grant is a partnership between the County of Fresno, Access Plus Capital, and the Fresno County Economic Development Corporation. This tutorial will cover program guidelines, how to fill out the application, and how to submit your application. First, let us cover the program guidelines. A credit report is required to verify business owners have not filed for bankruptcy in the last 3 years or have no outstanding tax liens. But there is no minimum credit score requirement. The eligible uses of this grant are for working capital, and businesses must be within Fresno County for this grant of $5,000 per entity. Applicants shall be a for-profit business physically located and operating in Fresno County with a demonstrated economic need and have been negatively impacted by COVID-19. Grant funds will be equitably distributed by county districts. Grants must be limited to one loan per business entity. Businesses must have 10 full-time equivalent employees or less. Self-employed business owners are eligible. Business applicant will not be eligible to apply if business has been approved or has received disaster relief funding, such as Paycheck Protection Program, SBA Economic Injury Disaster Relief Loan, or City of Fresno Save Our Small Business Loan to Grant. Business applicant must have no outstanding local, state, federal tax liens or judgments. If this is applicable, business must upload documentation of their current payment plan. Applicants must have no bankruptcies within the last 3 years. Bankruptcies must have a discharge date dating back at least 3 years at the time of grant application. It must be demonstrated and certified that the business applicant has been operating for at least 2 full years prior to March 15, 2020, 2 years of federal business tax returns or business license reflecting a date prior to March 15, 2018, or fictitious business name statement filed prior to March 15, 2018. Selected businesses will be required to sign a technical assistance and reporting agreement to be carried throughout the term of the grant. Now that you understand the guidelines of the grant, you're ready to begin the application, starting with your business legal name and employer tax identification number. Then, mark the box that best describes your business structure, either sole proprietor, corporation, partnership, or LLC. Continue filling out your business address along with your mailing address if it's different. Then provide your phone number and business email. Continue by describing your referral source and mark the appropriate box. Next, provide your business tax certificate number with its expiration date. Filling in your 2019 annual gross sales, please give the amount of full-time and part-time employees as of March 15, 2020, the year your business was established in Fresno County, and your industry type. After, please provide which county supervisor district your business is in. If you do not know your district, please use the resource link below this video in the Frequently Asked Questions section. Once you've labeled your county supervisor district, mark the box to the right, yes or no, if you're a for-profit business. Do note that all owners with more than a 20% ownership must apply, and individual credit reports will be checked per owner. The information that must be provided are the name, social security number, date of birth, title, percent of ownership, email, full home address including city and zip code, gender, and ethnicity. Please repeat this process until all owners of greater than 20% ownership have been listed. For Section 2, please mark the box yes or mark the box no to answer these short questions. Have you been approved for or have received an SBA Economic Injury Disaster Loan? Have you been approved for or have received a Paycheck Protection Program loan? Have you been approved for or received a Save Our Small Business Loan to Grant from the City of Fresno? Does the business have any unpaid local, state, federal tax liens or judgments? If yes, please upload current payment plan documentation. Have the business owner or owners filed for bankruptcy in the last 3 years? Section 3 denotes what the grant can be used for and its amount per entity. There is nothing to fill out in this segment. Section 4 has additional questions regarding your business. Please mark the box yes or mark the box no for each question. Has your business been negatively impacted, closed completely, as a result of the COVID-19 public health emergency? Has your business been partially closed as a result of the COVID-19 public health emergency? Has your business closed voluntarily to promote social distancing measures as a result of the COVID-19 public health emergency? Have you been operating for more than 2 years prior to March 15, 2020? Next, as you prepare to submit this application, one of the following documents are required for you to be sent: 2 years of business federal tax returns, business license reflecting a date prior to March 15, 2018, or fictitious business name statement filed prior to March 15, 2018. You must also supply a voided business or personal check. Lastly, please read Section 6 closely to fully understand the information before continuing to sign this grant application. To sign it, please provide the names of all owners with greater than 20% ownership, their titles, their signatures, and the date which it was signed. Please submit your application and required documents online at accesspluscapital.com/hub-grant. This grant is a partnership between the County of Fresno, Access Plus Capital, and the Fresno County Economic Development Corporation. We thank you for your business.